Social media is no longer just for fun, it's a massive business opportunity. If you know how to create content, engage audiences, and grow accounts, you can start making real money managing social media accounts for others. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start, find clients, set your prices, and turn this into a full-time or side hustle income. Let's dive in. Why social media management is a profitable skill. Businesses and influencers rely on social media to connect with customers, but many don't have the time or expertise to manage their accounts. That's where you come in. Growing demand. Every business needs social media marketing. Low startup cost. All you need is a phone, laptop, and internet. Scalability. Start as a freelancer, then build an agency. Work from anywhere. This is 100% remote friendly. Skills you need to get started. Basic graphic design. Use Canva, Photoshop, or AI tools to create engaging content. Content writing and captions. Write compelling and engaging posts. Social media growth strategies. Understand hashtags, trends, and audience engagement. Scheduling and automation. Use tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later to save time. Analytics and performance tracking. Measure growth and optimize strategies. Pro tip: you can learn all of these skills for free using YouTube and online courses. Choosing your niche. Before finding clients, decide who you want to help. Here are some profitable niches. Local businesses, restaurants, gyms, beauty salons, and real estate agents. Influencers and coaches. Many content creators need a manager to help with posting. E-commerce stores help Shopify, Etsy, and dropshipping stores grow. Gaming and entertainment. Manage accounts for streamers and YouTubers. Choosing a niche makes you more attractive to clients. How to get clients. You don't need experience to land your first clients. Just start taking action. Option 1. Freelance platforms. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour. Create an eye-catching profile. Offer a low-cost or free trial to build credibility. Get your first reviews and increase your prices. 2. Cold outreach. Message small businesses and influencers directly on Instagram or LinkedIn. Example: hey name, I noticed your brand could benefit from more engagement on Instagram. I'd love to help you grow your account and increase sales. Would you be open to a free strategy call? 3. Social media groups. Join Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and LinkedIn communities where business owners look for social media managers. 4. Networking and referrals. Your first client can come from friends, family, or local businesses. Offer a free trial in exchange for a testimonial. Part 5. How much should you charge? Social media managers typically charge: beginners, $200 to $500 per month per client. Intermediate, $500 to $1,500 per month per client. Experts and agencies, $2,000 plus per month per client. Pro tip: offer tiered pricing based on services like content creation, post scheduling, community engagement, paid ads, management. Part 6. Tools to make your work easier. Content creation. Canva, Adobe Spark, or Figma. Scheduling and automation, Buffer, Hootsuite, Later. Hashtag and SEO research. Hashtagify, SEMrush. AI copywriting tools. ChatGPT, Jasper AI. Automate your work so you can handle multiple clients efficiently. Part 7. Scaling your social media business. Once you have 3 to 5 clients, you can start outsourcing tasks to a virtual assistant or hire a small team. Create a business website, show your services and testimonials. Offer additional services, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and paid ads. Build a personal brand. Post on LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram to attract clients. Success stories of freelancers making thousands managing social media accounts. Social media isn't just a place to scroll. It's a place to make money. Now it's your turn. Start small, take action, and grow your income step by step. Want more tips on online income? Check out my next video on AI-powered content creation